Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. So if you've been scouring the internet trying to figure out how to install the Streailer Stremio Kodi add-on, you might actually be getting a few different platforms mixed up. But don't worry, you are in the exact right place to seriously upgrade your home theater setup. Stremio and Kodi definitely operate differently, but the end goal is exactly the same, a flawless viewing experience. Today, we are cutting right through the noise to give you a straight-to-the-point tutorial on getting the Streailer add-on running seamlessly. You know, setting up a customized media center can sometimes feel like piecing together this endlessly complicated puzzle, but we're going to make this specific piece incredibly easy to lock into place. All right, real quick, here's our roadmap for today. We'll do a quick intro to Streailer, hit on its key features, walk through a step-by-step installation, and finish up with some frequently asked questions. Okay, Section 1, Introduction to Streailer. What exactly is this tool? Let's get right into it. I mean, seriously, are you tired of having to completely leave your streaming app just to watch a movie trailer? We have all been there. You're scrolling, you spot this awesome-looking sci-fi poster, but you're just not totally sold yet. So what do you have to do? You exit the app, hop over to YouTube, painstakingly type out the title on a clunky TV keyboard, sit through a pre-roll ad, watch the trailer, and then somehow navigate all the way back, just to hit play. It completely kills the vibe. If that constant app hopping drives you crazy, this explainer is going to solve that exact problem. Enter Streailer. It is an add-on built exclusively to pull movie and TV show trailers directly into your Stremio ecosystem. Now, I really want to manage expectations right out of the gate here. This tool is a preview companion. It is not a source for full pirated movies or anything like that. It exists for one brilliantly simple reason: to let you preview titles right there without ever breaking your focus. It just totally removes that frustrating friction of deciding what to watch next. And you know, this perfectly highlights why Streailer is just so incredibly beginner-friendly. Look, if you're used to traditional Kodi installs, you already know the drill. You're downloading zip files, digging through heavy complex repositories that constantly break or bog down your system. But Streailer on Stremio, it uses a fundamentally different approach based on a simple manifest URL. You can configure exactly what you want on a straightforward web page, generate a single, tiny web link, and boom, you're done. No massive database downloads, just a lightweight, super fast setup. Moving right along to Section 2, Key Add-on Features. Let's look at why you'd actually want to use this on your setup. So, beyond that seamless Stremio integration and the totally painless manifest setup we just talked about, there are a few real standout features here. You get instant, lightweight trailer playback, which means absolutely no buffering when you're just trying to get a quick feel for a new TV show. But honestly, the really cool part is the multi-language support. You can perfectly tailor those trailer previews to your specific region, making it a highly localized experience. It actually adapts to you rather than forcing some clunky one-size-fits-all approach. All right, on to the main event, Section 3, Step-by-Step Installation. Let's actually get this thing running on your device today. We took the original 13-step process from our source material and distilled it into 6 super manageable milestones. You can literally have this configured in under 2 minutes. First up, just visit the Streailer config page in your web browser. Second, take a quick second to choose your preferred language options. Third, copy that newly generated manifest URL right to your clipboard. Then open up your Stremio app, head over to the add-on section, and click Add Add-on. Paste your custom URL right in there, hit install, and finally, just double-check it's active in your My Add-ons list. Seriously, that is the whole shebang. Now your trailer option is going to be right there waiting for you every single time you click a poster. Finally, Section 4, Frequently Asked Questions. Let's rapid-fire through some common questions to make sure you have a flawless experience. Let's start with probably the most common point of confusion we see. Does Streailer provide full movies or TV episodes? I want to hit on this very clearly so you know exactly what tool you are working with here. The short answer? No. Streailer is strictly a preview companion, designed exclusively for trailers, definitely not for full media streams. And frankly, that is its biggest strength. The whole lightweight design relies heavily on the fact that it's only pulling tiny bits of trailer data, which keeps your interface blazing fast. If this thing tried to process massive, full-length movie files, you'd immediately lose that snappy, instant preview magic that makes it so valuable in the first place. It does one job, and it does it perfectly. Next up, can I use Streailer on multiple devices? This is a huge deal for cord cutters, because there is literally nothing worse than getting your living room TV perfectly dialed in, only to realize you have to start completely from scratch when you grab your tablet in bed. Well, the answer here is a resounding yes. It's actually one of my favorite parts of this setup. Once installed, Streailer seamlessly syncs across all supported devices connected to your Stremio account. That means you only have to do the manifest URL setup one single time. Do it on your laptop, and boom, it's instantly ready to go on your smart TV, your phone, or anywhere else you log in. It is so easy. Now, one last extremely important note regarding your digital security. Our source material gives this direct, unmissable piece of advice. Your ISP can see everything you stream. To protect your privacy, we strongly recommend using a VPN. Look, it is a foundational step in any modern streaming setup to keep your connection private and encrypted, especially when you're adding third-party tools to your ecosystem. Masking your viewing habits and protecting your personal data should absolutely be a top priority. Don't skip the security just for the sake of convenience, all right?